if you really want to get those V-cut lower abs, you will see a significant success in lowering overall body fat that can be best addressed with your diet, more specifically with a calorie restrict or a correction in your diet to lose that stubborn fat. If your body fat is lower already and you are trying to build your V-cut abs, then these are the exercises. But make sure you should understand that muscle and mind connection, correction in your diet to reduce body fat. I will be doing a series of 5 videos for V-cut lower abs workout, and this is part 1 for this series. In this video we have 4 different exercises. You need to do 12 to 15 reps of all the exercises and 4 to 5 sets. You need to put the stress on your working muscle by putting mind into muscle. So guys, let's get started. Lie down on the bench by putting your hands under your hips. Lift your upper body. Try to contract and squeeze your abs. Push your center core up by your abdomen muscle. And while pushing your body up, you should pump out your breath. Move your legs up and down along with your core so that you can get the momentum. But make sure you need to feel your muscle contraction by putting your mind into it. We are using a bar holder and a ball for deactivating our hands for the movement. Putting ball inside your knees. We need to crunch together with a great balance on hips. According to a lot of studies, this type of crunch places an intense stress on abdomen muscle. Dragon core ups are one of the great workouts for V-cut lower abs. You need to lift the body on your shoulders, and for balance you are holding bench overhead. By making a dragon raise, use core pulsing with pump out breath exhaling upward. Make sure you should maintain the angle which is showing in the video. You need to hold the ball inside your knees. Hang with your hands and lift your leg. Try to touch the ball to your chest. Exhale when you go up. Make sure do not swing your body in this move. So these are all 4 exercises in part 1 V-cut lower abs video. You need to do 12 to 15 repetitions of each exercises and 4 to 5 sets in total. Try to do all these exercises 3 times per week and Keep watching my videos. I'll be uploading more videos for V-cut, lower abs workout. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and like to the channel. Thank you very much.